Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're installing this. The plan is to make my intake system as restrictive as possible. So I'm installing this, and eventually we're getting rid of the ITG, we're getting rid of the ITG crossover, and basically going back to OEM. So look forward to that. So what you're going to do, open the bonnet, have a look at your non-restrictive one, that's sitting there, and you're just going to put this in there like that, close the bonnet, and it's installed. I joke, so obviously first thing you need to do, undo two hose clamps and undo this little clip down here, and then that thing literally just slides off, and then once you've slid that off, slide your new one back on, say new one, old one back on, and then hopefully it works. So what you're going to do, undo these hose clamps, both sides, slide this out. Obviously there's a clip down here as well, this little red clip, push that up, should allow you to slide it off. And then this will, once it's wriggled out, come out like so. So there's your Mountune intake, the non-restrictive one, that's really, really good. Now we're going to attempt to put this back on. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to fit because the ITGs are thin, that's metal, this is, oh I guess it is bendy in a way. Okay, I didn't expect this to bend. Anyway, so we're going to put this onto here.
Like that one.
Slide that into there like that, and then in theory the restrictive pipe's back on, which means we're going to make less airflow, which means we're going to make less power. Everything's going to be angry at me because obviously it's asking for more power than I'm giving it. Perfect. So once that's pushed in enough, I'm just going to make sure that's seated properly. Slide the oil hose back on. That's on like that. Now do these little clamps up. And there you go, that's install complete. That's how you install a worse version of the thing you already had on the car. So thank you guys for watching. Now that we've uninstalled this, we're back to OEM spec. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.